Question number 16. So in the இடத்துல partial fractions use பண்ணி solve பண்ணோம். But you also have to notice that the power of x in the numerator and the power of x in the denominator are equal. So first you need to divide. So divide பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? I have 5x square divided by x square plus 4x plus 3. I need to multiply by 5. So I have 5x square plus 5 4s are 20x plus 15. Now I need to subtract. அப்பதானே subtract ஆகும், cancel ஆகும். So this gets cancelled. I'm left with minus 20x minus 15. So quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. So dividend equals quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. I'm just reminding you. So now the integral becomes 1 to 5 plus quotient, which is minus 20x minus 15 divided by x square plus 4x plus 3 times dx. Okay. Now I have to solve this particular one. I need to split the middle term. So 4x plus 3. I need the product to be 3 and the sum to be 4. So 3 times 1. So I have x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. X common adutha I have x plus 3. Ingiyum x plus 3 plus 1. So what are the factors? X plus 3 times x plus 1. Okay. So this basically I have 5 times x. Idha vandu integrate panna I have 5x plus integral 1 to 2 minus 20x minus 15 divided by x plus 3 x plus 1. Okay. Remember you have to take the integral and put the limits from 1 to 2. Adha number last la potukalam. So remember you have 5x. Okay. Now I'm going to use partial fractions. So what happens? Minus 20x minus 15 divided by x plus 3 times x plus 1 equals a divided by x plus 3 plus b divided by x plus 1. When I take the LCM, what do I have? A times x plus 1, which is ax plus a, plus b times x plus 3, which is bx plus 3b equals the numerator. Okay, since the denominators are equal, I can equate the numerator. Partial fraction la gadagadan podnu idhukku mela. So the coefficient a plus b is going to be minus 20 and 3b plus a is going to be minus 15. So I have two different equations. So I have basically a plus b equals minus 20, a plus 3b equals minus 15. I'll directly write it here. So a plus 3b equals minus 15. I need to subtract. So this becomes a minus, this becomes a minus, and this becomes a plus. So a minus a cancel I do. B minus 3b is going to be minus 2b equals minus 20 plus 15 is going to be minus 5. So b equals 5 divided by 2. So I have a plus b equals minus 20. A equals minus 20 minus 5 by 2. Plus b is going to be 5 by 2. In the pakam pochina minus 5 by 2. When I take the LCM, I have minus 20 times 2, which is going to be minus 40 minus 5 divided by 2, which is minus 45 divided by 2. Now when I substitute, the integral becomes integral of a divided by x plus 3, which is minus 45 by 2 divided by x plus 3 times dx plus b, which is 5 by 2 divided by x plus 1 times dx. Remember you have limits in a limit 1, 2. So I have 1, 2, 1 and 2. So here this becomes minus 45 by 2 log mod x plus 3 plus 5 by 2 log mod x plus 1. But remember you have a 5x from here. In the 5x irka. So I'll add that in the end. So my final now looks like 5x minus 45 divided by 2 log mod x plus 3 plus 5 by 2 log mod x plus 1. Now I need to take the limits 1, 2. When I substitute, what do I have? First f of 2. So 5 times 2 minus 45 by 2 log mod 2 plus 3 plus 5 by 2 log mod 2 plus 1. This is f of 2 minus f of 1. F of 1 and 5 times 1 minus 45 by 2 log mod 1 plus 3 plus 5 by 2 log mod 1 plus 1. So this is my second term. So when I solve this, what is inside the first bracket? 5 2s are 10 minus 45 by 2 log mod 5 plus 5 by 2 log mod 3 minus 5 minus 45 by 2 log mod 4 plus 5 by 2 log mod 2. So, I have to further simplify. I'll write it over here. So, follow. I have 10 minus 45 log 5. I'll write it here. So, I have 10 minus 45 log 5. 5 by 2 log 3 plus 5 by 2 log 3. 45 divided by 2. So, 45 divided by 2. 5 by 2 log 3. Now, when I open the bracket, in the minus irka, so minus multiply panna, minus 5 plus 45 by 2. So, minus 5 plus 45 by 2 log, what is it? Log mod 4 plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 log 2. But the plus becomes a minus when I multiply it inside. Okay. Plus 45 by 2 log mod 4 plus 5 by 2 log 4 log 2 becomes minus 5 by 2 log 2. So this, when I simplify, I have 10 minus 5 is going to give me 5. Okay. 45 by 2 na common adukka poren. So these two terms. You see here, minus 45 by 2 log 5, 45 by 2 log 4. So when I club these two terms, I have 45 by 2 times log 4 minus log 5. You see that? Log 4 minus log 5 when I club these two terms. Now in the rendu term club panna, I can take 5 by 2 outside times log 3 minus log 2. So this is how the form log of a by b. So 5 plus 45 by 2 log 4 divided by 5 minus, plus 5 by 2 log 3 divided by 2. So this is my final answer. Okay. It's a little long. You apply but you just have to substitute the values. Okay. Very, very careful with the calculation. Question number 17. So in that I have 2 secant square x plus x cube plus 2 from 0 to pi by 4. Okay. So first integral of 2 secant square x. So 2 integral of, I'll do it slowly. So secant square x plus integral x cube plus integral 2 from 0 to pi by 4. So 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4. So this is going to be 2 times integral of secant square x is going to be tan x. So tan x plus x cube can be written as x power 4 divided by 4 plus 2 times integral of dx. You have a dx. So this is going to be 2x. This I need to take the limits from 0 to pi by 4. Okay. So I can take f of pi by 4 minus f of 0, or I can take it for individual terms. It will be easy for calculation. If 0 to pi by 4 plus x power 4 by 4, 0 to pi by 4 plus 2x from 0 to pi by 4. It's the same thing as taking f of pi by 4 minus f of 0. So this is nothing but f of pi by 4 minus f of 0. Okay. So you see that this becomes easier for calculation. Just watch. So 2 times I have tan pi by 4 minus tan 0. So basically I clubbed the 2 here. So tan pi by 4 minus tan 0. So in there b minus a. So this is my first term. Now second term I have 1 by 4 a common adutha. So pi by 4 pota pi by 4 the whole power 4 minus 0. So this is my second term. Now third term I have 2x. So 2 times x substitute panna pi by 4 minus 0. So you can also do it in such a way. Okay. Adhe answer da varapodhu. So this is 2 times tan pi by 4 tan 45, which is 1, minus tan 0 is a 0, plus 1 by 4 times pi power 4 divided by 4 power 4 minus 0, adu poidum, plus 2 times pi divided by 4. So what gets cancelled? In that idu mattum dhaan cancel agudhu. So my answer is going to be 2 plus pi power 4 divided by 4 to the power 5 plus pi divided by 2. In that 4 to the power 5 neenga pannalam. So 2 plus pi by 4 divided by 1024 plus pi divided by 2. 4 4s are 16, 16 16s are 256, 256 into 4 is 1024. Okay. Now, I have sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2. So, namak enna formula theriyum? You know that sin square x is going to be 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Adhe mari cos square x is going to be 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2, the whole divided by 2. So here I have by 2. So in the by 2 irundhuduna, here I will not have this 2. Okay. So in the I will only have x, cos x and cos x. Okay. So when I substitute this, I have integral of 0 to pi sin square x by 2 ka inge substitute 1 minus cos x divided by 2 minus open bracket 1 plus cos x divided by 2 times dx. Before taking the integral, ulla simplify pannalam. I have my 1 minus cos x, when I open the bracket, minus 1 minus cos x the whole divided by 2 times dx. I can take the 1 by 2 outside. Integral 0 to pi. 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. I have minus 2 cos x. So minus 2 cos x. Here the 2 and the 2 gets cancelled. So I have minus cos x. So this is going to be minus integral of cos x dx is going to give me sin x. So I have sin x. This I need to take the limit now. So 0 to pi. So minus a veliyil edutha I have sin pi minus sin 0. So sin pi is also a 0. Sin 0 is also a 0. So my final answer is going to give me a 0. Okay, please copy. Question number 19. I'm going to split the two integrals. So I have 0 to 6x divided by x square plus 4. I can also write it as 2 square plus integral 0 to 2, 3 divided by x square plus 2 square times dx. So this I'm going to take it as I and this I'm going to take it as k. So I எப்படி solve பண்ண போறோம்? Substitution. So integral of 6x divided by x square plus 4. Taking x square plus 4 equals t. 2x dx equals dt. I have 6 dx here. So நம்ம x dx மட்டும் எழுதலாம். x dx equals dt divided by 2. So when I substitute, I can take the 6 outside. Integral of x dx is dt divided by 2. Divided by x square plus 4 is t. So when I simplify this, this gets cancelled. So I have 3 times log mod t, which is 3 times log mod x square plus 4. So this is my I term. If a k term enna, I have k equals integral of 3 divided by x square plus 2 square. X square plus 2 square times dx. This is of the form dx divided by x square plus a square. So this is of the form tan inverse. So 3 veliyil edutha I have 1 by a, which is 2 times tan inverse of x divided by a. So the final form is going to be 3 by 2 tan inverse of x divided by 2. So I found what my I and k. So when I substitute, I have I plus k. So this is nothing but 3 log mod x square plus 4 plus 3 by 2 tan inverse of x divided by 2. And what are my limits? 0 and 2. So individual pannalama. So 0 to 0 2. So when I do this, I have 3 times common adukren. I have log of 2 square plus 4 minus log of 0 square plus 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. So for my first term. Next 3 by 2 common adutha I have tan inverse of 2 by 2 minus tan inverse of 0 divided by 2 for the second term. Okay. First I am applying 2, then I am applying 0. First I am applying 2, then I am applying 0. Okay. To the function. When I simplify this, I have 3 times log mod 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 minus log mod 0 square plus 4 plus in the bracket la 3 by 2 times tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. So this is going to be 3 times log mod 8 minus log mod 4. So log of a minus log of b, log of a by b. So log mod 8 by 4 plus 3 by 2 times tan inverse of 1 is going to be pi by 4. 45 minus 0. Tan inverse of 0 is going to be 0. So this is nothing but I can cancel. This becomes 2. So I have 3 log 2 plus 3 by 2 times pi by 4. So final answer enna? 3 log 2 plus 3 by 8 times pi. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy. Question number 20. So this I can split into two integrals. So 0, 1, x e to the x times dx plus integral of sin pi x by 4 times dx. So first integral is going to be integration by parts. So I have two different functions and this is going to be a simple integral. So let me take this as I and let me take this as k. So if first I solve pannalama. So I equals integral x e to the x. So last preference the exponential, first preference for this. So this is my first function. second function. Integration by parts என்ன? First function, integral of second function dx minus பெரிய integral, open bracket, d by dx of first function, integral of second function, close bracket, times dx. So when I solve this, I have x e to the x minus integral of d by dx of x is going to be 1 times e to the x dx is going to be e to the x times dx. So this when I further simplify, I have x e to the x minus e to the x. So இது வந்து I. இப்போ k என்ன? K is going to be simple integral sin pi x divided by 4 times dx. Sin oda integral is going to be minus cos. So minus cos pi by 4 times x divided by, remember the coefficient of x is going to be pi divided by 4. So இது என்ன ஆகும்? Minus 4 divided by pi. Pi by 4 மேல numerator வந்ததுனா 4 by pi times cos pi by 4 times x. So I need to add I and k. So when I add that, my integral becomes x e to the x minus e to the x, or I can club the e to the x together. So enna agum? This I can write it as e to the x times x minus 1 illaya. So this becomes e to the x times x minus 1 plus minus 4 by pi times cos pi by 4 times x. Put a bracket because you have minus. Nammaloda integral limit enna? 0 and 1. So I am going to solve it separately. 0, 1 and 0, 1. When I substitute the values, for the first function I have e to the 1 times 1 minus 1 minus e to the 0 times 0 minus 1. This is the first function. So this is my first function in the particular one. Now I am going to solve the second one. So I have plus, I will take the minus 4 by pi outside times cos pi by 4 times 1 minus cos pi by 4 times 0. Okay. So this is my second value. This is this particular thing where I have taken the minus 4 by pi outside because it's a constant. Now I have bracket kulla enna irukku? E to the 1 times 0 minus e to the 0 is going to be 1 times I have minus 1 plus in the bracket enna? Minus 4 by pi times cos pi by 4. What is cos pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 is cos 45, which is 1 by root 2 minus cos pi by 4 into 0 is going to be cos 0, which is going to be 1. Now first bracket la enna irukku? I have e to the power 1 is e plus 1. This is my first bracket minus 4 by pi times 1 by root 2 minus 1. When I take the LCM, you have e plus 1 minus 4 by pi times 1 minus root 2 divided by root 2. In the இடத்துல இதை further எப்படி simplify பண்ணலாம்? I have root 2 here. So this becomes 2 root 2. So final answer can also be written as e plus 1 minus 2 root 2 divided by pi into 1 minus root 2. Okay, please copy. Question number 21. This is very simple. So you have integral 1 root 3 dx divided by 1 plus x square. Dx divided by 1 plus x square, it is going to be tan inverse of x from your limit is going to be 1 to root 3. So when I substitute the value, tan inverse of first root 3 upper limit minus tan inverse of lower limit. Now values enna kandupidipama? So tan inverse of root 3 is going to be theta. Tan theta equals root 3. So what is root 3? Namakku enga varum? You have 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. So tan oda values enga engalam varum? I have 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So I know that tan 30 is going to be 1 by root 3. Tan 60 equals root 3. So in the இடத்துல root 3 இருக்கு. So theta equals 60 degrees, which is going to be pi divided by 3. So in the இடத்துல tan root 3 கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now tan inverse of 1 is going to be theta. Tan theta equals 1, which means theta equals pi divided by 4. So this particular step I am writing it here. So I have tan inverse of root 3 is going to be pi by 3 minus tan inverse of 1 is going to be pi by 4. When I take the LCM, I have 4 pi minus 3 pi divided by 12, which is going to be pi divided by 12. So this is my answer. In the option, it is going to be option D. Okay, please copy. Last and final question of the exercise. I have 4 plus 9x square. So I have integral of dx divided by 2 square plus 3x the whole square from 0 to 2 by 3. So enna formula theriyum? I have integral dx divided by a square plus x square or x square plus a square. So x square plus a square irundaduna 1 by a tan inverse of x divided by a. So in the formula namakku theriyum. When I apply this, I have 1 by a, which is 2 times tan inverse of 3x divided by a. But remember the coefficient of x is going to be 3, another divided by 3. Okay. This, when I simplify, I have 1 by 2 into 3 is going to be 6. And the value of a is going to be 2. In the இடத்துல 2 போட்டுறேன். So 1 by 6 times tan inverse of 3x divided by 2. Now I need to put the limit. So 0 to 2 divided by 3. Upper limit, lower limit. So now when I take 1 by 6 outside, I have tan inverse of 3 by 2 times 2 by 3. So first upper limit போடுறேன். So I'm going to put 2 by 3 for x and I have minus tan inverse of 3 by 2 times x order value 0. Now I have 1 by 6 times tan inverse of உள்ள இது ரெண்டுமே cancel ஆயிடும்ல 3 3 and 2 2 gets cancelled. So I have tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. So this is simple. 1 by 6 times pi by 4 minus 0. So final answer enna pi by 24. So which option is it? Option C. Okay, please copy. So with this we are done with this exercise. Let's move on to the last and final exercise and topic of the chapter. Okay, bye.